What's up, online shoppers? I live with boys, and those boys, they're not so good at taking care of my appliances. That's why these here have been an absolute game changer. These are the Reynolds Unbleached Parchment air fryer liners, and they have saved my sanity time and time again. The only thing I had to do was drill it into their heads that they have to put this in the air fryer while they are cooking their food so that cleanup is easier and I don't lose my top every single time I open up an air fryer and it looks disgusting. Here's my air fryer. It looks relatively benign right now, but then you open it up. Look at this. Food, more food, a greasy bottom. Air fryer liners, they fix all of this disgustingness and leave your air fryer in great shape for the next time you want to use it. Now, when I first bought these, I thought, how much difference could they make? But I was pleasantly surprised. And the fact that it's so easy means that even the teenagers have learned if they want to have a better life in our house, they're gonna use these air fryer liners. There are 50 of them in this package, which means essentially probably about at least 30 meals. They basically just fit into the air fryer like that. Now there are holes in the bottom of the liners right here because it helps with airflow and it also helps them for not floating up like kites in the wind. Using these means I have basically 50 less opportunities where I have to scrub the heck out of these wire baskets, which definitely eats up all the sponges in my house. Now, a quick heads up. When you are using these, do not preheat the air fryer with an empty liner on the tray. They're gonna float all over the place in there. It's not gonna be good. So what I like to do is put the fryer liner down, put my food onto the fryer liner, and I have an air fryer that doesn't require a preheat. It is so fast. Favorite thing ever we purchased. The only thing you don't want to do is you don't want to let these little liners touch the heating element in your air fryer because that can be a hazard. Now, as far as the construction of these, they're made of high quality parchment paper. They are rated safe for up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in an air fryer. I love that they're in this little small package because I can literally slide it in the drawer underneath where the air fryer is, and the kids just have to remember to pull it out, put it down on the tray first before you put the food on, and then you're good to go. Basically, it's just plain functional parchment paper with a light silicone coating to ensure that everything is non-stick. These have been the biggest game changer for me as far as keeping the mess minimal in an air fryer. And the food is ready. Now look at that. Really nice and crispy. And all of the mess contained to the air fryer liners. That's dreamy. And there you go. Fantastic. And look at those fries. Absolutely awesome. Crispy and delicious. And the best test yet, so much less mess on the pan. All I have to do is give it a wipe with a damp cloth and it's ready to go. These Reynolds liners do exactly what they're meant to do. Cut cleanup time, keep your food more crisp, and fit most air fryer baskets with minimal effort. The pre-cut holes are a thoughtful extra. Just make sure, like I said, don't put these anywhere near the heating element and you are going to be good to go. That's why these air fryer liners are definitely a family favorite at my house.